Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville Barista Express, and make sure you are careful and you know what you're doing around electricity and water if you're going to do this, because this is dangerous. Today I'm testing the pump to see if it's working. There was no water coming out of the group head, and based on the sound I heard, I suspect the pump is bad. So let's go ahead and so I'm just putting this hose into this cup, so if it were to shoot out, it would come out into the cup. As you can see, the pump is not working, absolutely no water coming out. So that means the pump is bad. There's a chance the machine is clogged, but I seriously doubt it. You'd usually get a little bit of a drip. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.